I've got Necro, so I
You're
can
gross.
get anybody up if they go down. But I'm also rocking a shotgun this time around, so I
Bro,
won't be
you don't need
that
Necro to get me up.
I do have some pretty dead meat, though.
Wait, you have what?
I have dead meat.
I I don't I don't know whether. Wait, are you
I imagine
joking?
in this
What's
context, it's probably referred to as erectile dysfunction.
okay? I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you. Let's go Ironworks.
Hey guys, I'm gonna set the difficulty up out one level.
What the fuck, dude?
Man, I was worried you were gonna dome me in the back of the fucking head or something. Ow! Jesus Christ, cat! Hurry, climb the leg. Don't just. Oh my God! Get your claws out of me.
Oh my god, shut up.
Ugh,
Oh my god,
this
What?
guy just
the
being so fucking
gunshots
loud.
everywhere.
Be careful these of this ladder right there. Concertina trap is down.
Um,
People are coming? They're
Where?
right below me. Right below me.
Oh shit.
Yep, people are here.
Lovely.
there's going to be
There's
an alert mine right here, so be careful around this yellow barrel.
Roger that.
I'm just going to get rid of all these crows, apparently.
Alright, they're about
It's
to come
red.
into the building.
Got a trip mine right here.
They're right here.
Okay. Wow. Coming to my building making a bunch of noise, Floyd? God damn.
Someone just
One down.
died.
Yep, one down.
I got a different angle.
What was that about noise in your building?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, hold on. Another group.
Another group? Gross.
Yep, I
Uh-huh.
see them.
Another. Let them duke it out.
Happily.
I'm gonna fucking bees it up somewhere over there, though.
Hold up, comms. I think I'm gonna die.
Doors open. I don't see anyone in the windows. I'm gonna try not to peek too hard.
Heard someone in this building I'm in.
Yeah, there's
They're right
definitely.
here.
Oh, just saw someone die over there, or thing die over there.
Yep, they just killed the dogs. They're trying to come in stealthy around this corner.
See him right here.
Yep.
Ooh, I missed.
Surprise,
Tagged him
motherfucker!
once. What? How could he see me when I couldn't even see him?
There's one down on the.
He has a sniper. He's got a scope.
There's a guy pushing me. Got one. Oh, damn it. He downed me through a fucking wall. Shotgun, Winfield.
One's in this tower. Oh, you guys are both dead.
Yeah, we're both
God damn
Yeah.
it.
Well, you don't have to, like, leave your spot, you know, pick them off slowly, carefully, whatever you gotta do.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but my shit only works when people are belligerent, not looking for me, which they are now doing. They're doing deacons. Please be belligerent, not right here.
Nope. Underneath. underneath and to the left. Sounds like.
It's a dumb spot to be. Oh, hi. Hello, Beaky Beaky.
Floyd's body's on the roof. Mine's the one on the ground. Last two people that I saw were right next to my body. Last time I saw them.
They just broke a window in there.
That was them breaking glass.
Belligerents. Oh, hi, buddy.
Oh shit.
God damn it. God damn it. I'm gonna die.
Good try.
I plead to you, Charlotte, please don't use any of those when we're in listening for things. Oh my god.
The fuck? Wait, do that again.
He was doing the in-game wave.
Dude, it's playing through my speakers.
Okay.
Yeah, it's playing. Well, it's playing through both.
Crazy.
What the fuck? Why?
Because your Hunt Showdown settings.
Probably.
I will let you know that the moment we get into a fight, the music comes on. We have to be actually in a fight, though.
So what you mean is get ready to mute you.
Yeah, for real. Because
Well,
I need my peeper or my hearers in order to fucking tell where someone's going in order to get a better drop on them.
don't worry, it's not like it's gonna last long, or I'll carry.
I'm putting a alert trip mine right next to this clue, so that way someone another team walks by, they get hit.
Roger that. I got some hunt dollars up here. In
I've got
BD.
a pretty gnarly clue myself.
Oh, dude, so we're going after Scrapbeak, but we have a very small area to find him. It's literally a 1 in 3 chance to get him at this
Yep.
next clear.
Well then, fucking yeah.
Sure.
Oh hi.
Who are you watching?
Niho?
Oh, Nino. Yeah,
Nino. Yeah.
Yeah, Nino's amazing, dude.
Yeah, dude. He's goals in this game. Like, I wish I could fucking play as good as him. And the good news is I am recording this, and I do plan on putting a lot of this stuff on YouTube. So hey, wait, Nino?
Nino, yeah.
Nino, okay. Hey, Nino, in case you happen to watch this by some random happenstance, please have my babies.
Whoa. So it's probably at
Okay,
Darrow, honestly. I guess that it's at Darrow.
Well, let's hit up Darrow and hope for the best.
Either way, we'll still get our 150.
I hear zombies being very aggressive over here. I don't. Oh, someone is. Oh no, never mind. That was just an emulator that for some reason got aggroed to me while I was inside the building, and then kicked the door open to say hello. It's flashing white. Scrapbeak is here.
Dope. Let's get the
Clue, yeah. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't. Oh wait, I did bring concertina trip mines.
I brought a sticky bomb too, of course.
I'm actually gonna wait. I'm not gonna put it right there. Ah. Big angry boy.
Damn it! Damn it! Someone want to grab that clue?
Where is it at? Oh, over there. Yeah. Not me. I'm kind of in a weird spot. It's okay. I'm gonna make a run for it. Oh. Right, got it.
Dope. I'm gonna stick this boss. Oh, he's down below.
I'm actually gonna put a trip mine down right here at the right here at the clue. So just be careful if you come over this direction.
Fucking missed? Are you kidding me? Well, I missed my sticky bomb, so this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, do be like that sometimes.
Indeedly weedly you do be like that.
There are people right here, though.
Yeah, they're probably staying out of range so we don't think it's... So that way we don't see it's red, but they want us to kill Scrappy and come clean up.
Trip mine is right down underneath you. Charlotte, so be careful if you do come down this direction.
Red under? No, they're right here. They're here. They're
Yep,
coming.
now it's red.
There's one.
I'm alert mining right here.
One solitary guy. His friend is way back here.
Alert mining right here.
Yep, there's a guy inside the clue room. I hit him. Yeah, my concertina got him. Fuck you.
Someone's got a crossbow, and I just got shot at.
I've got a crossbow, you might have heard me.
Unless you were shooting at me.
Oh, someone just came
That
in
was
my
me.
building.
I didn't realize that was where that trap was. Sorry. Yeah, that's me. Don't mind me.
Did you down that second guy?
I downed a guy, but
So it's 2 people potentially down right now. Potentially.
And 3.
I've been kind of keeping an eye on him, so...
Coming up to you.
Because he died in this building over there.
Okay. So
Alright,
yeah,
I'm gonna
one
go
died there.
investigate behind.
One died there. I think I still see his body.
The
Maybe.
guy I downed over here, I've kind of been keeping some gas on.
I'm gonna pop my stamina shot. Just in case.
Do we have eyes on that body? Is that body still there?
Not sure.
The body's still here that I downed.
The other one's inside
Dang it.
that shack right there. So if you jump in the window over there, you'd be able to see. Watch out,
Yeah.
there's a concertina mine over there too, so don't get stuck in that.
Hey, do you still have a concertina mine?
No, I used the last one.
If you loot a body, you might get it back.
Yeah, I'm
if
gonna
you,
loot this guy real quick.
I'm like, if you want, you could fucking
Yeah, I got one more.
trip mine up one of these bodies.
Yeah, not a bad idea. Here, I'll trip mine the body that's over there. Or at least one of the entrances or something into here. I don't know. I am heading your way.
Hey, we
I
got
just heard
company.
a wolf. I just heard a hound howl, which usually
Yep.
means it
Yeah,
was
we got company.
certain range.
They're coming for double the bounty. They're over here.
Oh, it's the other bounty, huh?
Trap
Uh-huh.
right here, by the way.
Yep, they're definitely here.
Cool. We don't.
That
have
just
the
means
advantage.
we'll have double bounty.
Yeah.
They're right below me. They're on me. They're on me.
Roger that. I'm coming that way.
I'm rotating.
They don't know I'm here. One under.
I saw one. Loading. I'm repositioning again.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't die right there. I tagged one of them, but he almost blew me up.
Inside there. Yeah, there's a bomb barrel right next to me. I am gonna rotate again. I don't want to be next to that. Going
I
through the
downed one.
building.
Downed one right there.
Nice.
Okay. There's one right here. First floor.
I hit one, but I'm fucking lit. I'm backing up for a second, healing.
Oh, there's 2 of them still. There's 2 still. What? I had to back up so I could fucking heal.
Damn.
There's 2 on me.
Trying to peek through the walls. Gotta heal real quick.
I don't like the crossbow.
Got one.
Yeah, crossbow's hard to get used to, I ain't even gonna lie.
Alright, One that was on your body is down. Do you have eyes on, Floyd?
Yeah, he's on the other side of this building that I'm in. Right there.
Oh shit, bad aim, bad aim, bad aim. On my part.
Ooh! That's a shotgun.
Good shoots.
Pop your head
He
out
went
one more
red.
time. Yeah, I figured. Alright, back inside.
Lost track of him.
He's still over there. He's just hiding behind. He's probably back behind the fucking thing.
Yeah, I just saw him peek.
Here, I'm gonna flashbang him.
Oh,
Oh, I got him, I got him. Or I flashed someone. Got him.
Good.
Nice.
Let me grab the bounty and check. Clear. Alright, I'm reviving you, buddy.
I'm pretty sure that's server, but we'll definitely keep our eyes out.
But that's 5 bodies?
Not to brag, but I did all that while there's 2 kittens fucking around and like scratching my arms right now. Ow, guys, seriously, get the fuck out of here. Ah!
Sounds like.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, that's the double barrel.
Okay. Alright, checking one more time. Still clear. Yeah, let's fuck this boss up. Cat,
Yeah, I'm
please,
pretty
please
sure
stop,
that was
Cat.
server.
Cat, please. God damn. All your tiny little claws are stabbing me. It's fucking cute, but it hurts. Is this the dream team? Is this what dopamine feels like?
I may be dumb, but I know what love is.
I took your martini, Henry.
Love is like a box of chocolates.
Nah, I'm
Like-
Sometimes they got razor blades in them.
Feels though.
Yeah.
Alright, we're still clear.
Okay.
Let me get some shots off on that boss. I've got a double barrel shotgun for him.
Okay, go for it, man. At this point, I definitely don't think we're trying to be quiet about it. So. I don't want to waste my dark vision. So before it goes out, someone check to see if it's red.
It's gonna have to be Charlotte since he's the only one.
Yeah. Yeah. Basically, just like right before he dies, or like as he is dying, just like check to see if it's flashing red. And then if it is, one of us will use our dark sight and check.
Fucking bleeding bitch. Damn, I just used a second. Ugh, on accident.
She's dead. Alright.
Okay. Dope. Yeah, I mean, one of us will be able to refill all of our seconds back up to max. And then Charlotte will also be able to pick up the bounty once this is done. So
What a nice match. How nice of them to bring that bounty over to us.
I know, right?
I don't know what they expected, but I'm okay with it.
I don't know.
Probably expected to win.
Yeah, I mean, I've had the bounty before and gone and done the same thing and
I
made
started.
it out.
I
They
don't
were
know what
just
that-
unlucky because we were good.
We were ready.
Yeah, we were ready for him. Alright.
All right, which extract, guys?
North.
Probably not right in the middle of the door.
Let's do the
There's no enemies.
northwest one.
Northwest. All right.
It seems to be a little bit closer, I think.
Faux show. Faux show.
You know, I'm curious.
Still clear. What,
Just
just
shooting.
shoot it? Wait,
Yeah, I shot straight up.
Oh. I
Well,
don't see
I want
it.
to shoot at the table, so maybe. we'll
Ow,
get that.
fuck! I just took so much damage! I got hit with the fucking bolt. Fell out of the
Yeah,
sky.
Don't you lie. Your ability to lie is narrow.
Yeah, I wasn't trying very hard. Leave me alone.
Narrow.
Like my urethra.
that's your-
Or
I
like
knew
Hank's urethra, sorry.
I'm gonna say that. Good for you. My bones.
Well, that was me and the boys playing some Hunt Showdown. If you enjoyed the content, please drop a like and subscribe. This is a brand new YouTube channel, so still getting my bearings here. I'll get a better microphone here at some point soon, and we'll be putting out content a little bit more regularly. But otherwise, appreciate you guys coming and watching. Have a good rest of your day.